Gani
OPC. Communique issued by the leadership of the Yoruba People's Congress (OPC), led by the 15th Aare Onakakanfo Yoruba Gani at the first National Executive Council (NEC) and National Community Council (NCC) meeting of the organization held on the 7th day of January 2025. The meeting held at the Odu House, located at 14B, Ezekiel Street, off Tony Street, Ikeja, Lagos. The highest decision-making organ of the Odu People's Congress (OPC), comprising of the National Executive Council (NEC) and the National Coordinating Council (NCC), today held the first meeting of the year, and the Congress resolved as follows. 1. That the Congress resolved to fully participate in the 7th installation anniversary of our father and leader, the 15th Aare Onakakanfo Yoruba land, Gani, coming up on Monday, January the 13th day of 2025, and Saturday, 18th day of January 2025. 2. That the Congress has resolved to support the 2025 edition of the Oodua Progressive Union (OPU) World Congress coming up in Ibadan, Oyo State, between the 24th of January and the 28th of January 2025. 3. That the Oodua People's Congress reiterates its position on regional autonomy, making a strong case for restructuring, where the 6 regions, that is, the federating units under the Nigerian Federation, will be allowed to develop at their own pace in accordance with the 1960/1963 constitutions of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. 4. Sequel to the influx of bandits, terrorists, and kidnappers in Yoruba land from the northwest part of Nigeria, the Congress restates its commitment to partner with the federal and state security agencies in its desire to tackle the continuous spate of insecurity across the country, using the Southwest Security Stakeholders Group platform to combat insecurity in Yoruba land. 5. The Congress also urged the 6 governors in the Southwest region to reconsider the request of the Aare Onakakanfo of Yoruba land, Gani to partner with the Southwest security architecture in getting rid of the criminal elements in the region. 6. That the Congress will continue to promote peace and unity, using the cultural promotion activities to drive tourism and economic prosperity to the Southwest region. 7. That the Congress appealed to the federal government of Nigeria to reduce the price of premium motor spirits and other petroleum products in order to alleviate the suffering of ordinary Nigerians. 8. That the Congress also appealed to the federal government to reduce the prices of foodstuffs and other consumer products in order to reduce the hardship that is biting hard across the country. 8. That the Congress also urged the federal government of Nigeria to stabilize the foreign exchange market in order to help the Naira from further degeneration. 9. That the Congress also urged all members to pursue formal education and career advancement in order to enhance capacity building. 10. That the Congress encouraged all members to continue the mobilization of new members in advancing the cause of the organization. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you.